After 60, many notice everyday tasks, like climbing stairs or carrying groceries, becoming harder. This is often due to sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. It's not just about feeling weaker, it can affect your independence and quality of life. But here's the good news: muscle loss isn't inevitable or irreversible. Contrary to popular belief, you can still build muscle at any age if you give your body the right support. Regular movement is key, but targeted nutritional supplements can make a big difference. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using dietary protein for muscle repair. That's where simple, food-based powders come in. They provide the building blocks your muscles need. In this video, we'll introduce 3 natural supplements: whey protein, collagen peptides, and spirulina. Each one supports muscle strength, joint health, and energy in unique ways. Let's explore how you can use them to stay strong, active, and independent. First up is whey protein, a complete, high-quality protein packed with all essential amino acids. It's especially rich in leucine, which is crucial for triggering muscle repair, particularly as we age. For best results, have a serving within an hour after any physical activity, even a walk or light stretching. Mix a scoop with water, milk, or blend into a smoothie for a quick, nutritious boost. Choose a clean product with at least 20 grams of protein per serving and minimal additives. Whey protein also supports your immune system and helps you feel fuller, aiding in weight management. Some studies show it can help stabilize blood sugar, making it a smart choice for overall health. Whey isn't just for athletes, it's a simple, effective way to maintain muscle as you age. Next is collagen peptides, the glue that supports joints, ligaments, bones, and skin. Collagen production drops with age, leading to stiffer joints and less flexibility. Collagen peptides are easily absorbed and can be stirred into coffee, tea, smoothies, or oatmeal. Consistency is key. Aim for 10-20 grams daily from high-quality grass-fed or marine sources. Take collagen with vitamin C like a splash of orange juice to boost absorption. Many people notice less joint pain, better mobility, and even healthier skin with regular use. Collagen also helps maintain bone density, a major concern for older adults. It's a simple addition that supports your body's entire framework. Finally, meet spirulina, a blue-green algae loaded with protein, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. It's a plant-based, complete protein that's easy to digest and perfect for boosting energy. Spirulina's antioxidants, especially phycocyanin, help fight inflammation and protect muscle tissue. It also improves circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Start with half a teaspoon daily, blend it into a smoothie or juice to mask its earthy taste. If you prefer, spirulina is available in tablets or capsules. Always choose certified organic third-party tested spirulina to avoid contaminants. Just a small daily scoop can enhance your energy, muscle health, and overall vitality.